Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a ramen bowl in DTI using an easy method. First, choose a wide, shallow bowl item as your foundation. Next, select a rich, savory color for the broth, like a deep brown or golden yellow. Then, apply a gentle texture to give the illusion of liquid, making your base look delicious and ready for toppings. Now let's add the star of the show, the noodles. Use wavy, thin shapes and layer them carefully to create a full, inviting look. Next, design a soft-boiled egg, perhaps cut in half, and position it artfully. Don't forget to include some delicious protein, like thinly sliced pork or a few pieces of seasoned tofu. Hey everyone, if you're finding these DTI tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To elevate your ramen, add some vibrant garnishes. Thinly sliced green onions provide a pop of color and freshness. A small, rectangular piece of nori or dried seaweed is a classic ramen topping. Finally, fine-tune the layering and adjust the sizes of your elements to create a sense of depth and realism in your DTI ramen bowl.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.